Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you're looking for a fun educational puzzle for your little one, you're going to want to check out this numbers puzzle from Melissa and Doug.
This puzzle has numbers 0 through 9, and underneath each piece is that many little animals or flowers to help your little one count and become familiar with each number. Each number also has a little stick coming out of it that makes it easy for your little one to pick up and put down. I love how colorful this puzzle is because it really captures the child's attention. My little one loves to play with this puzzle and try to figure out where each of the numbers go. I feel like it's really helping him become familiar with numbers.
So, if you're in the market for a fun puzzle for your little one, definitely check out this numbers one from Melissa and Doug. It's so much fun for your little one to learn about the numbers and the colors and the different little animals hidden beneath the numbers. They're going to love it, and that's my point of view.